afternoon, amigos, from Valle de Bravo. As many of you may know, one of the top attractions in this town is paragliding, which is exactly what we are not going to do today. Today we're actually going to Gaspart's studio to do something that we've never done before, a woodworking class. So let's get going. Okay, we have made it to Gaspart's studio, which is really this entire almost neighborhood. So we're standing in front of one of the projects, so people can come here for half a week or a week and actually learn to build like small cabins. And then these cabins are here so when students come to the school, ceramics school, a longer like a couple day seminar, or the woodworking classes over a couple days, they stay in the cabins. There's also a restaurant here, so Greg and I might be moving in.
Are you gonna help build this house?
I've heard I'm gonna build something, but I've warned Gaspar that I came with 10 fingers, so he ensured me that I'd leave with 10.
All right, let's go see if you can make something.
Let's go.
What are you gonna make?
Okay, we're gonna make a cutting board, and he showed me one that's beautiful, but I'm worried that mine may not quite enough like that, but we're gonna give it a shot.
This will be like our churro video all over
Yes.
again. Okay.
Okay, we're gonna make all of these the same width first, I think.
Yeah, they have to be the same height or width, whatever. So we're gonna take the shortest one. None of them can be any bigger than the smallest one here. How we're gonna do that, I have no
We're
idea.
getting safety goggles, so things are looking up.
You still have all your fingers?
Well, except one.
What's your objective, Phil?
Now I'm gonna put them in whatever pattern I want. So I don't know if I want to make them symmetrical, not symmetrical.
Oh, no say. Phil, I think you looked way too happy using that saw.
So,
That just kind of scares me a little bit.
nah.
Note to self, don't buy Weta power tools. So far, how would you rate your work? Yeah, you don't want to get that on your fingers.
Don't speak to an artist right now.
It's just, as long as it's better than a salty empanadas.
Hey.
And by our, I mean your. Smoke break or what? What are you doing?
We're letting our glue dry on our cutting spit. Our cutting boards. These are going to be so pretty. I don't think it's thanks to my creative design. I feel like as far as sort of like
leading the way.
Let's do this way. Oh no, don't choose that piece. Do it this way. He is very artistically inclined and is something
I trust him.
Yeah, these are going to be the coolest cutting boards ever.
I think so. They're resting over there, and
we're resting over here.
I feel like Tim the Toolman Taylor. What are we about to do?
We're gonna cut these in shapes. Mine's gonna be a clean rectangle.
Well, let's see. Keep your fingers. Amigos, mine is just looking like the paddle that my elementary school teachers used on me. This thing's huge. Hey, how you feeling about this so far?
Feeling pretty good.
I feel like Gaspard has done like 90% of our project.
I would agree with that.
Definitely.
He's so good though.
I'd just rather him do it.
Because I'm gonna mess it up.
But it's
Can't wait to
looking
take
pretty.
these on the bus.
Oh, I didn't think about that. Okay, what
How pretty it is.
A nice big baguette with some mozzarella.
Oh,
We're
that
making
sounds.
cheese trays at
Oh,
home.
cheese tray. There you go.
Yeah, so this is a cheese
basically,
board.
that's what we do. We use it as
Yeah.
a cheese board. We
Yeah.
don't really use it as a cutting board.
Ah,
And I love
okay.
cheese, so this works.
Gaspard, how would you rank her work here today?
I will give him 4.5. No.
Out of 10? Out of 10?
Oh, out of 10. Out of 10.
Four.
Okay. I would say probably about 9.
A 9. Okay.
7.
Yes.
Probably more real.
Hey, 7's not. That's better than our cooking.
It's pretty good, yeah.
Well, actually, I will give you 10 once you buy the sober, and then we get to try those cheeses.
Ah, okay. Oh, perfect. We can make that happen.
Yeah.
Okay. This was our model. We didn't. I mean, we weren't trying to make this one. Obviously, we didn't make one with a hole. But
Okay.
how do you feel?
Worse.
It's worse, but it's better than I expected.
It's better than our cooking. You're right. It's so pretty. Dun, 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 dun. We finished. This is a cutting board, but as some of you know, Greg and I don't cook very often. But this is gonna make one killer cheese board at our house. We've had so much fun today with this family, learning about what they do here. Several different classes they offer, sort of like a 3-year technical program. They offer everything from like teaching hobbies, just a several-hour class, and we have had a lot of fun with the
been
artist
really unique.
himself. We will link everything below, all the information to their website, ours. It seems like this family can really customize any sort of trip that you may want to do, whether that's ceramics or eating at the restaurant here on site or anything
Yes.
you want to do. So that is all we have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell, that way you get notified
Cada vez.
we post a video, and we'll see you guys.
Mañana.
Adios.